In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Miro Mind Map app. Start by opening Miro and going to a new board. A mind map works best when you have a clean canvas, so give yourself plenty of space to build out your ideas. Once your board is ready, look to the left toolbar. This is where Miro keeps the main creation tools you will use on the board. Find the mind map icon in that left toolbar and click it. After you select the mind map tool, move your cursor onto the board and click once in the spot where you want your mind map to begin. This first item is the root node, which is the main topic or central idea for everything that follows. Place it somewhere with room around it, because branches can expand quickly as you add more detail. With the root node selected, type your main topic directly into it. Keep the wording short and specific so it is easy to scan later. As you type, you are setting the direction for the rest of the map. Now you can start building branches. Use the Tab key to create a child node. Child nodes are subtopics that sit underneath the selected idea, so this is the key you will use when you want to break a topic into smaller parts. Each time you press Tab, Miro creates a new branch that is connected to the node you are currently on. To add another item at the same level, use the Enter key. Enter creates a sibling node, which is another branch that shares the same parent. This makes it easy to list related points side by side without nesting them under one another. A helpful habit is to use Tab when you are going deeper into detail and Enter when you are adding another point of equal importance. As your mind map grows, keep your focus on clarity. Short phrases are usually better than full sentences, and consistent wording makes the structure easier to understand. You can also take advantage of Miro AI to generate or refine sections of the map and to help with styling so the diagram looks organized quickly. This can be especially useful when you have a lot of ideas to capture and want a clean layout without extra manual formatting. That covers everything you need to know.